in our lab, and we're going to do some summer science shorts. Today we are making magic tea bag rockets. So I've got my safety equipment on, and for this experiment you're going to need some tea and a lighter. I've already prepared our tea bags. You just take it apart and unfold it, and then what we're going to do is we're going to light them on fire and see what happens. Would you look at that? Alright, you can try this fun experiment at home, but make sure that you have an adult present when you do.